Hey YouTube, it's Vonica and welcome back to my channel, Naughty Vonica. Today I have my Margot Elena fall box and I'm going to open it with you guys. I have not looked inside. I did not look on, I forgot the website, my subscription addiction. I didn't watch any other videos, so I am opening this and I will be completely surprised because I do not know what's inside this box, but I know it's going to be good. It's always good with Margot. This is the only subscription box I am still getting. So you see, here's the box, the little quote on the inside. That's right, crisp and colorful. That's a good way to describe what is going on, because it is chilly as hell where I live at. That's just the description of everything in the box. She has arrived. Yes, she has. She is nicely packaged with the pink paper and the bubble wrap, and it looks like it's gonna be some goodies in here. Yes. All right. Let's get ready to see what's going on. I know I see a candle. That's good. So everything is wrapped in pink tissue paper because that's how Margot does. And this first item here is actually some perfume. It is Tokyo Milk, Neptune, and the Mermaid. It's Song of the Siren, Eau de Parfum. Normally $44. All her packaging is so beautiful. I did like the way this smelled. It smelled really good. And I learned something recently. Eau de Parfum is stronger than Eau de Toilette. Okay, then we have a candle. This is from the Lolia collection, and it is the Poetic License candle. It's normally like $34. It is very nicely packaged, and actually I didn't take it out, but I took it out later, and there's like an engraving on the glass. I'm going to use it for something else afterwards. Then we have some more Lolia hand cream. I love her hand creams. I have a lot of them. It's the Imagine Shea Butter hand cream, and it's normally $26. Beautiful packaging. And as usual, all of her hand creams are like sealed, so you have to like punch a little hole in that. I wasn't going to do that to smell it because I have some from other boxes I want to use first. I love this packaging. Imagination is the soul's happiest retreat. James Basford. Yeah, sometimes it's too much of a retreat. Gotta live in reality. I really like that box, and it was really good quality. I really wish I could do something with that box. It's nice. All right, on to the next thing. Oh, and here we have the Library of Flowers Field and Flower soap. It's normally $11. It is shea butter perfumed soap. It smells so good. I cannot wait to use it. So let's see, more presents, more surprises. This, I believe, is the shower gel. Yes. Well, it's shower gel and like oil. I don't know if it's kind of like a mixture or what. It's the Cottage Greenhouse Sugar Beet and Blossom Body Wash. You see it says moisture rich shower oil and body wash. And this was in plastic, which I was really, well, maybe because it's a shower gel, because I know her bubble baths and her body oils, all of them come in glass. Normally, like everything I've gotten from her, you know, it normally comes in like glass, but I guess because that's a shower gel, it's in the plastic. But yeah, the bubble baths and the body oils come in glass. All right, and then next we have a scrub. This is the Cottage Greenhouse Violet Fig and Black Currant Salt Scrub, and it's normally $28. I don't know if you guys know about Margot, but like she has like different I would like if you think about like a house of fashion, like different houses, they all have different names. You have the Library of Flowers, you have Tokyo Milk, you have Lolia, and you have the Cottage Greenhouse. So, but each house like sells different scents and different things. That's what I really like about her. And here you can see like you can see the little like the little scrub in it. It's gonna be really really nice. I won't be using it anytime soon because I already have a scrub open, but it did smell really good. We're almost to the end, guys. And then I have a Tokyo Milk. Which one is the C? Tokyo Milk. It's just Tokyo Milk Light. It's a lip gloss. It's normally $21. It's like a regular lip gloss. I'm just showing you the box here. I'm gonna take you out and take it out and show you the applicator. It's kind of like just a clear. It goes on your lips clear. Really nice packaging. It's glass. It's pretty. It's Margot. And you can see the applicator, your normal like doe foot applicator. Nice. And then the last thing we have is from the ME Happy Home. It's a collaboration with Elaine Everett. Let Us Live Like Flowers. And they said this is normally $28. Let Us Live Like Flowers. And like I said, it's a collab between Margot Elena and Elaine Everett. She gives a lot of like prints and cards and things like that that come from her Happy Home collection. And I'm wondering what I'm going to do with this. But I like it. It's cute. It really doesn't go with anything that I have right now. So guys, I want to thank you for tuning in to another video. Please comment down below, ask questions if you want to. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I know I've been off of YouTube for quite some time just because of things in life like school, graduating, starting a new career, and I really fell off, but I'm trying to keep on track now. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Please comment, ask questions down below, and please subscribe, and please come back for more. Thank you.